Have you ever wished for a way to unlock your desired reality? Well, I have some news for you. Believe it or not, by following these practices, you might be able to reach your desired reality. Keep watching to discover how you can change your reality right now by following these simple practices. Words hold immense power in shaping the reality we experience. Every word spoken carries energy that resonates within us and with the world around us. It's not just about the literal meaning of the words, but also the emotions and intentions behind them. When we speak, we are not just communicating, we are actively influencing our own perceptions and the environment. Consider how words can evoke different emotions. A simple "thank you" can brighten someone's day, while harsh words can leave lasting scars. Our words are like seeds planted in the garden of our minds, shaping our thoughts, feelings, and actions. They become the building blocks of our reality. Think of words as architects designing the blueprint of our universe. With each word, we are laying down the foundation of our experiences. Positive words construct a reality filled with hope, joy, and abundance, while negative words breed doubt, fear, and limitation. Our words serve as affirmations of our inner thoughts and beliefs. When we repeatedly say something, we reinforce it within ourselves and send out vibrations that attract similar experiences. This is why it's crucial to be mindful of the words we choose, for they have the power to either uplift us or hold us back. The law of assumption revolves around the idea that what we assume to be true shapes our reality. It's based on the principle that our beliefs and assumptions influence our thoughts, emotions, and actions, ultimately determining the outcomes we experience in life. When we assume something to be true, whether consciously or subconsciously, our mind begins to filter our experiences through that belief system. This means that our perceptions are colored by our preconceived notions, leading us to interpret events in a way that confirms our assumptions. For example, if we assume that we are not capable of achieving success, we may overlook opportunities or sabotage ourselves when they arise, because our belief system convinces us that failure is inevitable. On the other hand, if we assume that we are capable and deserving of success, we are more likely to seize opportunities and persevere in the face of challenges. The law of assumption highlights the importance of becoming aware of our beliefs and assumptions. By examining the thoughts and beliefs that drive our actions, we can identify any limiting beliefs that may be holding us back and replace them with empowering ones. It's essential to understand that our assumptions are not set in stone. We have the power to change them by consciously choosing to adopt new beliefs that better serve us. This process requires self-reflection, introspection, and a willingness to challenge our existing belief systems. Our imagination is a remarkable tool that plays a pivotal role in shaping the reality we experience. It allows us to envision possibilities beyond our current circumstances and to tap into the infinite potential of the universe. Imagine your mind as a canvas and your imagination as the paintbrush with which you create your reality. When we allow ourselves to dream and imagine, we are essentially setting intentions for what we want to manifest in our lives. By visualizing our goals and desires as if they have already been achieved, we plant the seeds of manifestation in the fertile soil of our subconscious minds. Belief is the fuel that powers our imagination. When we wholeheartedly believe in our dreams and aspirations, our imagination becomes a powerful force for transformation. It allows us to see beyond the limitations of our present reality and to envision a future filled with abundance, success, and happiness. Positive affirmations act as catalysts for our imagination, reinforcing our belief in our ability to achieve our goals. The key to harnessing the power of our imagination lies in consistency and intention. By regularly engaging in visualization exercises and affirmations, we strengthen the neural pathways associated with our goals, making them more likely to manifest in reality. Realizing the power of our imagination and beliefs is the first step towards transforming our lives. However, it's essential to understand that belief alone is not enough. True empowerment comes from combining belief with action. When we believe in our ability to shape our reality, we are more likely to take inspired action towards our goals. This action can take many forms, from setting specific objectives to taking small steps each day that align with our vision for the future. Practicing assumption and trust in the universe is crucial for manifestation. It involves letting go of doubts and fears and trusting that the universe will conspire in our favor when we align our thoughts, beliefs, and actions with our desires. Each individual possesses the innate ability to shape their reality and manifest their desires. It's not about waiting for external circumstances to change, but rather taking ownership of our lives and actively creating the future we envision. Empowerment through self-belief and action requires courage and resilience. It means stepping outside of our comfort zones, facing challenges head-on, and persisting in the face of adversity. By taking consistent and deliberate action towards our goals, we demonstrate to ourselves and the universe our commitment to our dreams. This proactive approach sends a powerful message to the subconscious mind, reinforcing our belief in our ability to achieve success. Affirmations are powerful tools that significantly impact our self-perception, motivation, and overall well-being. These simple yet potent statements have the ability to shape our thoughts and beliefs, ultimately influencing the reality we experience. When we repeat affirmations, we are essentially reprogramming our subconscious minds with positive messages. By affirming our worth, capabilities, and potential, we counteract negative self-talk and limiting beliefs that may be holding us back. Positive affirmations serve to bolster our self-esteem and confidence. They remind us of our inherent value and strengths, empowering us to overcome challenges and pursue our goals with conviction. The conscious choice of words in affirmations is key. By selecting language that is uplifting, empowering, and aligned with our desires, we set the stage for positive change in our lives. Beginning each day with positive affirmations sets a constructive tone for the day ahead. By infusing our morning routine with empowering statements such as, "I am capable, I am worthy, and I am deserving of success," we prime our minds for success and abundance. Choosing empowering language not only shapes our reality, but also reinforces our sense of self-identity. When we consistently affirm positive qualities and attributes within ourselves, we strengthen our self-concept and cultivate a greater sense of self-worth. Visualization and imagination play crucial roles in reinforcing positive self-talk and assumptions, ultimately shaping the reality we experience. These practices involve mentally picturing desired outcomes and scenarios, harnessing the creative power of the mind to manifest our aspirations into reality. When we engage in visualization, we create vivid mental images of our goals and desires, as if they have already been achieved. By immersing ourselves in these visualizations, we activate the same neural pathways in the brain as we would if we were actually experiencing the desired outcome. Imagination serves as the canvas upon which we paint our dreams and aspirations. By tapping into our imagination, we unlock limitless possibilities and explore potential futures that align with our deepest desires. Mental imagery can enhance our belief systems and bolster our confidence. When we visualize ourselves succeeding, we instill a sense of certainty and conviction in our ability to achieve our goals, making them feel more attainable and within reach. Visualization is not just about seeing, it's about feeling and experiencing. When we visualize our desired outcomes, we evoke the same emotions and sensations associated with achieving those goals, further solidifying our belief in their attainment. Consistent practice of visualization strengthens the connection between our thoughts and actions. By regularly visualizing our goals, we prime our minds for success and train ourselves to recognize and seize opportunities that move us closer to our desired outcomes. Throughout history, various ancient philosophies have recognized the profound influence of assumptions and beliefs in shaping reality. These timeless teachings offer invaluable insights into the principles of manifestation and the power of the human mind to create the world around us. One such philosophy is Hermeticism, which emphasizes the principle of mentalism, the idea that the universe is a mental construct and that our thoughts shape our reality. According to Hermetic teachings, aligning our beliefs and assumptions with our desires initiates a process of manifestation, wherein our thoughts materialize into tangible experiences. Similarly, ancient Egyptian philosophy, particularly the concept of Ma'at, emphasizes the importance of living in harmony with universal truths and principles. By aligning our beliefs and actions with Ma'at, we create a reality characterized by balance, order, and prosperity. Tibetan Buddhism also offers profound insights into the nature of reality and the power of the mind. Practices such as mindfulness, meditation, and visualization are central to Tibetan Buddhist teachings, allowing practitioners to cultivate a deeper understanding of themselves and their interconnectedness with the universe. While these ancient philosophies may have originated thousands of years ago, their principles remain highly relevant in the modern world. In today's fast-paced society, where stress, anxiety, and uncertainty abound, the wisdom of these ancient teachings offers a beacon of hope and guidance. Consistency and persistence are essential elements in the journey of self-transformation and manifestation. These qualities empower us to stay committed to our goals and to persevere in the face of challenges and setbacks. Emphasizing the importance of consistency and persistence in practicing positive self-talk aligned with the law of assumption is crucial. It's not enough to simply affirm our beliefs and desires once. We must reinforce them consistently through daily practice and repetition. Consistency builds momentum and strengthens the neural pathways associated with our desired outcomes. By consistently affirming our beliefs and visualizing our goals, we reinforce the messages we send to our subconscious minds, making them more likely to manifest in reality. If you're still watching, I'd like to thank you for your attention. If you enjoyed the content and want to see more, please consider clicking the subscribe button. Your support is very appreciated. Feel free to share your experiences or thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, take care and stay tuned for more insightful content.